Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you all how to write a Java program to check whether a given number is even or odd. So before going to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. And I have written this program in three other languages, C++, and Python. I will share the video links in description box. So let us begin our channel, our video with how to write a program to check whether the given number is even or odd. So first step is to take the user input. We need to include the scanner class. We need to include the scanner class in Java. So for that we need to import java.util.scanner. So through this we can take inputs from user. Here util means we can utilize all the Java classes. It includes all classes. Now, as we all know that Java is an object-oriented programming language. So, in object-oriented programming language, we need to consider a class. So, we all know that class is a blueprint of a program. So, here we have taken a class name called even or odd. So we need to make it as a public specifier because it can be accessed by any system. So we need to make this class as a public class, which can be and here my file name is also same as my class name. In Java, basically we need to save our file with same same as the class name, as the compiler should know that we are executing the program of that particular class. So here now we are taking public static void main as the main function. In this we are including a static function and string arguments. Now coming to main program. Now I am taking an user input called n with variable n of integer data type. So now here I am creating a scanner class with object name is ss, and taking system.in is used to take the user input. Now I am taking user input n as s dot next int. S is the object. Here S is the scanner object. So it includes user input. It considers as user input. And next int is int specifies that it is of integer data type. Now, as usual, we need to write a logic to check whether the given number is even or odd. For that, we are using if else statement. So, in if else statement, generally when it first checks the condition under if and it is true, then only it executes the statement under if part. Otherwise, it executes the statement under else part. For checking whether a number is even or odd, the number should be divisible by 2. So here 2 is written, and when we divide a number, we get a remainder. And to check the remainder, we should use the operator called modulo. And modulo operator comes under the type of arithmetic operator. So here in this n is the given number, and the given number should be divisible by 2. And when the number is divisible by 2, the remainder should be 0. Here the condition checks whether the remainder is 0 is double equal to 0, then the condition is true, and so the number is even. If the remainder is 1, which is not equals to 0, so this condition is false, and it brings the condition under the else part, which is that the given number is odd. So here, if we take an input as 6, then 6 modulo 2, it checks the condition 6 modulo 2, then the remainder is 0. 0 double equal to 0 is true, so it prints as 6 is even. Here, if we take our input as 3 modulo 2, the remainder is 1. It checks the condition whether 1 double equal to 0 is true. So here 1 is not equal to true. So the condition is false. So it prints the statement under else part, which is 3. 3 is odd. 3 is odd as the output. Thank you for watching this video.